Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is the most requested video because today I'm going to share with you guys my Korean skincare routine, what Korean skincare products that I use, and I just love these products so much. And to be very honest, I hardly use any other skincare products because my entire skincare routine is around Korean skincare routine. I love Korean skincare products and I just love how it works on my skin, how my skin looks. Some products that I'm using currently, I always do change my skincare routine, my skincare products. So obviously if I update any product, I will let you guys know in future, like my updated skincare routine. But for now, these are the products that I'm using and I'm just loving how it feels, how it's working on my skin. And yeah, let's get into this video. So yeah, just a quick information before I jump into my skincare routine. I have a combination skin and the problems that I face with skincare, I don't have that much acne problem, but I do have pigmentation problems, small bumps on my skin. Sometimes I do get few pimples on my face and I do have a blackhead problem on my nose area. So these are the problems that I have, and I love using skincare products that will give me some glow. So I just want to mention these type of things because I think it's very important. If a product works for me, it may not work for you. So I think these are the small informations which are like very important because these are the products that work for my skin, how I like the product. I love a glow on my skin, so I have some products that will bring that glow on my skin, and also I have products which will help me with the pigmentation, with the combination skin type that I have, and also with the blackheads that I have. So the first thing that I always do when it comes to my skincare routine is double cleansing. I always double cleanse my skin. I just cannot think about my skincare routine without double cleansing because I do have a blackhead problem, as I mentioned, and double cleansing actually helps me a lot with the texture or also the bumpiness that I have on my skin. First product that I use is a cleansing oil, and this is from Mixsoon. This is the bean cleansing oil. It's a beautiful product, does not burn my eyes, which is the most important part because I just hate when cleansing oils just burns your eye and it just makes your eyelids so irritated. This is not a product like that. I love this product. I think you just need one pump of this and you can remove your entire face of makeup. It removes your waterproof makeup, full coverage makeup, waterproof mascara, eyeliner, liquid lipstick, anything that you have. This just massage it on your skin and this will remove everything. Sometimes what I do, if I just want to remove my blackhead problem, I just take one pump of this cleansing oil and I just rub it and massage it on my skin. Like I don't have any makeup whatsoever, but I do have some sunscreen or skincare product maybe, and I want my blackheads to go away. I use this product, I just gently massage it on my skin. It's like a gentle exfoliation that you are doing with a cleansing oil, and then I go in with my face wash. This cleansing oil, I just love the packaging. First of all, it's so beautiful and it's so gentle on my skin. By the way, this cleansing oil is for all skin types. This is a product which can be used no matter what skin type you have, even if you have acne prone skin or if you have clogged pores problem like me. I also have clogged pores problem. And if you have sensitive skin, you can definitely go in with this product and it will just blow your mind how beautiful this cleansing oil is. I love how it works on my skin. The best part about this oil is it does not contain any high fragrance type of a smell, because sometimes a cleansing oil can be so powerful like in terms of the fragrance, but this is not something like that, so that's why it's not going to irritate your skin at the same time. It's a beautiful product. It takes off everything from your skin, and of course it protects your skin barrier. I am using this cleansing oil for I don't know, for months and months now, and I just love how it feels on my skin. The next product that I have is also from Mixsoon, and this is the last product I have from Mixsoon. By the way, this is the Mixsoon cleansing foam, and this is the cleanser that I am loving currently, and this is the combo that is best for my skin. When it comes to cleansing my skin, these are the two products I love so much. You use only this cleansing foam to remove your makeup, of course it's not going to work. This is a very gentle type of a cleansing foam. You have to use a cleansing oil to break the makeup and then go with the cleansing foam like this. It's very beautiful. I just love how you just need one tiny amount of this product and you can rub it all over your face for your morning skincare routine at the same time, because it's very gentle. The performance of this cleanser is very high, but it feels very gentle on your skin. So if you have a little bit of sunscreen or maybe any skincare product on your face and you just want to remove it, you can definitely go with this product. Wash also contains salicylic acid, which actually exfoliates your skin at the same time, but it's so gentle you will not even feel the exfoliation on your skin. Does not contain any beads or whatsoever. It's like a creamy cleanser. As if you are looking for a cleanser for acne prone skin or sensitive skin, this is the best cleanser for you. Go grab it and you will thank me later. Another thing I want to mention, that this cleanser will not foam like your regular cleanser. As I mentioned, it's the best for your morning skincare routine and it's very gentle on your skin. So it's not going to give you that very foamy type of a finish. Now, I am loving toner pads and I have so many of them, but this is the one I'm currently using and I'm loving it so much. This is from Namzen. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. This is the Radiance Glowing Jumbo Essence Pad number 3 and it's a 150 ml product and it contains 70 pads. So this is a really convenient type of a product. You get a spatula like this, you can take out the toner pad and you can use it on your face. I just love this product because it makes my skin so calm, so soothing, and I don't know how it works, but it makes my skin less irritated. Whenever I have like few redness on my face, I use this product and it's all gone. It calms down my skin so beautifully and it makes my skin brighter at the same time. This particular product also comes in a toner form, but I just love this pad one because it's very convenient to use on your face. It makes your skin bright, plus it actually protects your skin barrier at the same time. After you wash your face, after you clean your face, it actually makes your skin very calm, very soothing. Also, it contains fermented ingredients. That's why the color of this product is naturally light yellow. Like inflammation on your skin, or if you have acne skin as well, if you want just to make your skin less red, if you have eczema on your skin at the same time, these type of products are really good for that. It does not sit on top of your skin. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes and it will get absorbed into your skin really quick, and the finish of this product is very lightweight, non-greasy. It's just like a water on top of your skin. After 2 to 3 minutes, your skin is going to feel very hydrated, but you won't feel the product on top of your skin, which is the best part about this. Like sometimes a toner or essence can make your skin feel very oily, very greasy. The toner, your skin will soak up the toner goodness, the essence goodness, and it will just make your skin feel so glowy. The best part about this product is that it makes your skin glowy. I just love using this before my makeup at the same time, because sometimes I just don't want to use like cleansing oils or face wash and exfoliator. I just go in with this product, I rub it all over my face, and it also removes the bumpiness that I have on my nose area. Another toner that I'm loving currently is this one right over here. This is the Beauty of Joseon Glow Replenishing Rice Milk. It's a viral product. This is their rice toner that I'm actually loving so much. If you want to get anything from this skincare routine, like skincare product, go for this one because you won't regret it. It's so beautiful on your skin. It actually improves your skin texture, brings a beautiful glow and brightness on your skin, and it's very gentle on your skin. No matter what skin type you have, this is going to be amazing for your skin. It's like nothing. It's like a literal water on your skin. It gives you that perfect amount of hydration, brings back the perfect amount of glow. If you have like dry patches on your skin, if you have like dry acne marks on your skin, if you have a damaged skin barrier, this is a good product for that. I just love it so much. This is the product I'm using for I think 1 month now, and I'm loving it. Absolutely amazing. And I'm loving this combo. This is the Beauty of Joseon Ground Rice and Honey Glow Mask. This is the product that brings a glow on your skin. Like if you have any event or something like that, whenever I just go out for any important event or maybe any occasion, I just want some glow on my skin. skin, I will go with this Beauty of Joseon Rice and Honey Glow Mask. It contains the goodness of rice and honey, and it gives you a beautiful glow on your skin. And because of the texture of this product, it's literally like oats. I don't know why, but I just feel like eating this. It's literally like oats. So using this mask, you can exfoliate your skin really well, and it actually gives you a beautiful hydration, a beautiful glow. If you have oily skin, I will say the red bean mask is good for you. But if you have normal skin, combination, sensitive, dry skin, acne prone skin, this is the perfect product for that. It's very gentle, a beautiful mask. If you want me to share my face mask that I use, I'm not a face mask person by the way, but if I use a face mask, I go in with the Beauty of Joseon Rice and Honey Glow Mask or the Beauty of Joseon Red Bean Mask. Now, a vitamin C serum is so important in your skincare routine. No matter what product you're using, vitamin C serum is going to solve all the problems. So this is the vitamin C serum that I'm using. This is from One Thing, and this product is amazing. Like, this product actually recovered my skin so much. I love using this product because of the lightweight texture. It contains like a gel type of a formula, and it's very lightweight and it's very absorbing, very lightweight at the same time. I just love products from One Thing. They have amazing toners. Like, if you are looking for toners which for your skincare routine, go for One Thing skincare toners. They are amazing. I have used them and I just love how they actually makes your skin healthy, and also how they work. You can literally see that One Thing products, once you use this One Thing products, you will see the difference on your skin. Like, you can genuinely see how it's improving your skincare texture, how it's building up your skincare barrier. The packaging is so nice. It's the perfect vitamin C packaging, because vitamin C should be in a dark packaging like this. And I'm just going to use one drop on each side and you are good to go. You just don't need too much. It contains like a gel texture, as I already mentioned, and this is what it looks like on my skin. It's so beautiful. This is what my skin looks after using this vitamin C serum. If you're looking for a vitamin C serum, Korean skincare products, they are always innovative. They work so well, and I just love how this works on my skin. I'm using this for I think 6 months now, and I have to repurchase this one, and I will repurchase this one. Now, I don't really add a moisturizer on top of this because it will be too much heavy for me. I just add the vitamin C serum and it's the last step. But if I do moisturize my skin, especially during this weather change or maybe in winters, I go in with this Beauty of Joseon moisturizer. This is moisturizing cream, which is perfect if you have combination or dry skin. This is not for oily skin people. This is how much I've used this moisturizer. It's so good, and it does not contain any strong smell. This moisturizer actually acts like a layer of moisture lock on your skin, and that's pretty much it. It's not like a lightweight gel type of a moisturizer. It's very thick, very moisturizing, and I love using this during winters. I just love how it feels on my skin. It does not feel heavy. It's a very thick moisturizer, but it does not feel heavy on your skin. You can use a light layer of this moisturizer. Love how it feels on my skin and gives you the perfect glass skin finish. With this routine, you will actually achieve that glass skin routine, and it's not going to be oily glass skin routine, or it's not going to be like oily greasy type of a glass skin routine. It's the perfect practical glass skin routine that you need, and it's so lightweight, and it's going to improve your skin texture so much. Let me know if you want to see Korean skincare products that are like disappointing and they haven't worked for me. I will share that with you guys as well. And for sunscreen, I have few options right over here. These are the sunscreens that I really love in terms of Korean skincare or Korean sunscreen. Korean sunscreens are so good, my absolute favorite. So these are the products. I love it so much, and these sunscreens are for my skin type. I love a gel, lightweight, non-oily type of a sunscreen. I just don't love sunscreens which will be very moisturizing. I don't love that. I just love a very gel, lightweight, quick absorbing type of a sunscreen, and these are the sunscreen that I really love. Sunscreen stick, sunscreens, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know what are your thoughts, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, don't forget to check out the description box below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.